Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make your WordPress website show up on Google. Verify your site in Google Search Console and submit an XML sitemap immediately. Fix robots, TXT and Noindex tags so crawlers can access content. Use permalinks, clean URLs, and canonical tags to avoid duplicate content. Check indexing status and address crawl errors to keep pages visible and indexable. In this video, I will show how to make your WordPress website show up on Google. Craft title tags and meta descriptions that match search intent and include primary keywords naturally. Structure content with H1 and H2 headings for clarity, and add descriptive alt text to images for accessibility and ranking signals. Internal links should guide visitors to related pages and spread authority across your site for better search performance. In this video, I will show how to make your WordPress website show up on Google. Start by improving site speed with optimized images, caching, and a fast hosting plan. Ensure your theme is responsive for mobile-first indexing and test pages in Google's mobile-friendly tool. Add structured data where relevant to help search engines understand your content, and potentially show rich results that boost click-through rates and visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.